जन्म जयंती का अवसर आया है, सूर्य उदित होकर नभ पर छाया है। जन्म जयंती का अवसर आया है, सूर्य उदित होकर नभ पर छाया है।
जैन धर्म का ये धर्म बढ़ाते हैं, उनके वचनों पे हम सब चलते हैं।
Faith and prayer, both are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. Rightly quoted by Lord Mahavira. I, Labiba, along with Anandi, Jannat, Sanila, Sukhbani and Samya, students of 9th B, Presentation Convent Senior Secondary School, will give a brief insight into the life of Lord Mahavira and Mahavira Janam Kalyanak. Mahavira Jayanti is the most important festival of the Jains. The Jains eagerly wait for its arrival every year in the month of March to April, according to the calendar. It is celebrated with much enthusiasm within the community. On this day, various sects of the Jains, including Digambars, Shwetambars, Sthanakvasis and Terapanthis, come together to celebrate the occasion.
Lord Mahavir was born in 599 BC at Kshatriya Kund, Bihar on the 13th day of the bright half of the moon in the month of Chaitra. He was the 24th and the last Tirthankar. Born to King Siddhartha and Queen Trishala, Mahavir was named Vardhaman by his parents, and he lived his early life like a prince. In his early years, Vardhaman developed a deep interest in the core beliefs of Jainism and started meditating. He devoted the rest of his life preaching the truth of spiritual freedom. He taught his followers the practice of non-violence and also introduced them to the concept of salvation. Thus, Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated every year to commemorate his preaching and Jain philosophy.
Lord Mahavira taught that observance of the vows of Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya and Parigraha are necessary for spiritual liberation. The four important teachings of Lord Mahavira are belief in Lord and soul, Nirvana, Ahimsa and freedom to women.
On Mahavir Jayanti, the Jain followers offer prayers and respect by visiting the temples that are lavishly decorated with flowers and flags. The celebrations of the day begin where the idols of Mahavira are given a ceremonial anointment called Abhisheka before worshipping. The idols are carried out on a chariot by devotees in a procession that is called Rath Yatra. Religious hymns are recited on the way. The Jain people give discourse in the temples in order to reach the principles of Jainism to the people. On this day, the members of Jain community also engage in works of charity, wherein they donate clothes, food, rupees and other essentials to the poor.
वो ही दुलारा माँ त्रिशला का नंदन प्यारा, वो ही हमारे प्रगति की है धारा। जय महावीरा, जय महावीरा, जिन शासन का उजला तारा।
Now, I request you to sit back and enjoy a short skit presented by Sukhbani and Samya.
Ria, what are you doing?
Grandma, I'm trying to save this kitten from the dog. She looks so afraid.
The dog has left. Ria, don't worry. I'm proud of you, my child. You are a good human being.
Thank you, Grandma. My teacher told me once, live and let live. Everybody desires to live and enjoy the comforts of life. Therefore, we should not come in the way of anyone.
You know, Ria, who said these words? Live and let live?
No.
This is the teaching of Lord Mahavira. Oh yes, today is the birthday of Lord Mahavira. We call it as
Mahavira Jayanti. Mahavira Jayanti is also known as Mahavira Janma Kalyanak. It is the most important day for Jains. It is celebrated to mark the birthday of Lord Mahavira. Lord Mahavira was the founder of Jainism. He was born on the 13th day of rising full moon of the Chaitra month in Hindu calendar. Lord Mahavira gave up his throne at the age of 30. He lived a life of strict discipline for 12 years. Lord Mahavira respected all the living beings and preached non-violence. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated with great joy and excitement. On this day, people take out processions on chariots, elephants, and horses. They also offer prayers and observe silence.
Nice, Grandma. Mahavir Jayanti is a nice festival.
Yes, it is, and Lord Mahavira's teachings too. Let's pray for peace and harmony for all the humankind on this auspicious day. Happy Mahavira Jayanti.
जय महावीरा जिन्हें शासन का